So sekarang kita akan masuk 9.4, which is implicit function. Okay, so kita berkenalan dulu. What is implicit function? Okay, so before this, you have learned what? If you have equation y equal to fx, when you differentiate dy per dx, you got f prime, right? Okay, so me give one example. Y is equal to 3x plus 4x squared. So when you differentiate, you got dy per dx is equal to 3 plus 8x. Okay, so this is known as explicit function. Okay, so apa tu implicit function? Kalau lah you punya soalan tu dalam bentuk this one. Example, y is equal to x square plus y3. You punya dalam equation tu ada in term of y. So we known as implicit function. Okay, so nanti kita akan belajar macam mana kita nak solve implicit function ni. Okay, so kita pergi pengenalan dulu sebelum kita masuk soalan. Okay, contohlah you ada soalan macam tadi tu, y is equal to x square plus y square. Okay, so when you differentiate y square, you got dy per dx. Okay, differentiate x square, you got 2x. So when you differentiate y square, sama je dia punya konsep. You bawa power tu ke depan, lepas tu power tu berkurang. So you got 2y kuasa 1. But y ni, sebab dia tak in term of x, so dia akan ada tambahan dy per dx. Boleh? Okay, so macam mana kita nak solve ni? Okay, sekejap lagi kita tunjuk. Ada lagi dia punya solution. Tapi you kena tahu, bila you differentiate y, you got dy dx. Okay, kalau you differentiate y kuasa 3, bila you differentiate dia, you akan dapat 3y kuasa 2 dy per dx. Okay, itulah implicit. Maksudnya untuk y tu dia akan ada tambahan ni. Okay, boleh? Okay, so kita go kepada soalan supaya awak lebih clear. Okay, this is the first question. Find dy per dx and d2y dx square. Okay, it means you have to find, this is first derivative. Okay, this is first derivative. Kalau first derivative tu maksudnya dy dx lah. Kalau d2y dx square adalah second derivative. So you have to know the name and the symbol. Okay. Okay, you punya function yang you kena cari dy per dx adalah dy dx and d2y dx for x square plus y cube is equal to 7. Okay, so we do the solution. Okay, the solution. So when you differentiate x square, you got 2x. So you differentiate y cube, you got 3y square dy dx. Okay, differentiate 7, you got 0. Okay, so your words is you have to make sure dy dx is a subject. So you have to move all this one and this one to other side. So wait. So you got 3y square dy dx is equal to negative 2x. So your dy dx is equal to negative 2x over 3y square. Okay, so you do the first part. So you have to find the d2y dx square. Okay, so how to find this one? Okay, you look at the answer. You have in this you got the jawapan tu dalam bentuk fraction. So dalam bentuk fraction you kena buat quotient rule. So you let yang atas tu sebagai u, yang bawah tu sebagai v. So you have to do the quotient rule. The formula of quotient rule is v square vu prime minus uv prime over v square fraction. So you have the fraction as well. Okay, so kita solve. Okay, madam just masukkan je lah. Okay, this is your v. Hak tu you differentiate dalam you punya mind. 3y square u prime awak adalah negative 2 minus u negative 2x, v prime adalah 6y dy dx over v square. V square is 3y square kuasa 2. Okay, hak ni don't expand. Okay, so we simplify yang atas tu. So you got negative 6y square plus 12xy dy dx over. Okay, so you have to be careful because you have to remember kuasa 2 ni bukan kepunyaan y square sahaja ya, dia kepunyaan 3 juga. So you akan dapat 9y kuasa 4. Okay, is it finished? No, because you have in term of dy dx. So what? So you remember you punya answer tadi, dy dx is equal to negative 2x over 3y square. So you have to substitute again. Okay, so when you substitute, you got negative 6y square plus 12xy dy dx you negative 2x over what? 3y square. 3y square over 9y kuasa 4. So bila you simplify, you akan dapat, jangan tinggal macam tu, you just substitute. So you have to simplify 6y square. Okay, y ni kita dah cancel down. Okay, 3 boleh cancel, you got 4 here. Okay, so yang left negative 8x square over y over 9y kuasa 4. Okay, kalau you ada 3 tingkat macam ni, tak boleh tinggal macam ni. Okay, you have to leave it just one fraction. Okay, like this je. Kalau you got like this, you have to simplify a b times 1 over c. Okay, so your answer negative 6y power of 3 minus 8x square over y over 9y power of 4. So your last answer negative 6y square minus 8x square over y times 1 over Meda tunjuk 1 by 1 supaya tak keliru. So you got 6y square minus, hak ni kita factorize lah negatif tu. So you got 9y kuasa 4. So it finish. Kuasa 4 ke? Kuasa 5. Sorry for mistake. Okay, done.